So the first chapter today we are going to do is number 7, famous cities. Now that you have some idea about cuisines of Asian countries, last time we discussed cuisines of Asian countries now. And what about exploring some famous cities of these countries? Look at the famous landmarks of some of the capital cities of Asian countries. Write the city name before their pictures and using the help box. Number 1 is Ganga Ramaya Temple. It is in Colombo. Red Fort, everybody knows, New Delhi. Monas, Jakarta. Lotte World, Seoul. Petronas Tower, Kuala Lumpur. Tokyo Tower, Tokyo. And this is the help box given. This is the page of your GK book, children. 8th chapter that we are going to do is sources of energy. Petrol, gas, coal are the sources of energy. Nature takes thousands of years to make them. They are called fossil fuels. They are finishing very fast. So we should use natural sources of energy more than fossil fuels. Natural sources of energy like sunlight, wind, water. Write the names of these alternative sources of energy. Use the help box as your guide. Number 1. In this process, wind is used to generate electricity. This is wind energy. Number 2. It harnesses the power of flowing water to generate electricity. This is a picture of a dam. Hydroelectric energy. It converts light and heat from the sun into electricity, solar energy or solar power. And these are the help box A, B and C. Fossil, and do you know? See, this is very important at the last. Do you know point? Fossil fuels are being burned faster than they are formed. They are used at a higher speed, at a greater speed than the speed of their formation. Now, after every 8 or 9 chapters, there is a review sheet which is from the earlier chapters only. And these are the answers which you have to tick mark. And the same way you will get in your exams also. You have to sometimes tick mark the answer for current affairs. Let us revise. What is the capital city of Telangana? Out of these, we have to tick mark. Number 2. What is the name of the 14th Prime Minister of India? Who is the author of the book Malgudi Days? Who among the following is a renowned santoor player? Let us find out. What is the capital city of Sikkim? See children, these questions you have to find out yourself. These are for you. Find out on Google or ask your parents. What is the capital city of Sikkim? Which Prime Minister of India has the longest tenure? Who is the author of Wings of Fire? Which of the following is a wind instrument? Now, value-based question. Reading is a good habit. How can you help your friend to build this good habit? And nowadays, as you are living with your family members, can you develop this good habit in your sibling, that is your brother or younger brother or sister? Now I'm going to start my slides one by one for you in this video only, so that you don't, if you miss the class, you don't miss the slides in this video. Class 3 GK first May, chapter 7 famous cities, chapter 8 sources of energy. See, this is the book page, and as this book page is not very clear, that's why I have made a video for you. And you can see from the video the book pages are really very clear, and I have written them also in the next slide. Now I have written all the things of that page here, and this is your classwork also. You have to write the date, lesson number, lesson name and classwork, and write the question. Okay, look at the famous landmarks of some of the capital cities of Asian countries, write the names below their pictures using the help box. Now there are no pictures. You have a notebook. There is no need to paste pictures. If you have a printer, you can. If you don't have, it's okay. Just write the name and the answer. And here on the next slide, there are the answers. Here, the next chapter, Sources of Energy. This is your book page. And as it is not very clear, I have written all the answers, all the questions on the next page, and this is your classwork. Date, lesson number, lesson name, classwork, and then write the questions and write their answers. Like this. You will all get this PPT in your WhatsApp groups. Next is the answer of this lesson. And now the review sheet. I have written all the review sheet on the next page. This is also your classwork. Tick the correct option. Let us revise. These are all from the previous pages that you have done. What is the capital city of Telangana? What is the name of 14th Prime Ministers of India? This is all in your PPT, children. You can open the PPT and everything is written there. And let us find out. Do it on your own. This is also on the review sheet only. This you have to do on your own. Find it on Google or take help of your parents. If you want, you can write down in the notebook. And this is the end of the slide.